Where does get data actually come from? So this is Power BI desktop. This is where the data is loaded. When you click get data, you're connecting data to the report. The data becomes part of the PBIX or the report then. The data does not live in the service. The service shows the report, refreshes the data. It does not store Excel files, store CSVs. What we're looking at here, for example, are the data sources that we can actually connect to the Power BI, to the PBIX, in order for us to publish to the service later. If the data changes, desktop controls the connection. Service just runs the refresh. Rule to remember, data starts in desktop and service only displays it.